Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on Google Maps. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Google Maps and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. Fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.